How's it going, Pyro Nation? I'm gonna show you guys the beginning of my 2015 firework stash. Starting off with the shells. Right here I got one box of 24 shells of Excalibur. Right here I got the Diablo 24 shells. These are great shells. And over here I got Black Knight. I got 40 shells of Black Knight. I got really cheap, so I had to get them. More 24 I got 24 shells of Diablo here too also. They're at the bottom. Yep. I also dropped one. Right now I only have a little bit of cakes. I'm probably gonna pick more up. Probably by in 2 weeks maybe. I have right now Cosmic Collision. It's a 50-gram mine cake. This is a really good cake. I got Flicker. This was from last year's. It's also a great cake. I got probably for 20 bucks. Contraband, I bought one off of one of my buddies. He sells pretty good products. He sells mostly black hats. That's where I got Diablo, Contraband, and 10-shot willows. I also got Rock Ripper by Canyon Brand. It's a 12-shot. Good cake. Over here I got Hauser Busters. You know, it's a standard 1.75 inch. Shells. Over here I got something pretty neat. I got large red cracker snacks. Let me show you guys what they look like. I haven't opened them yet. These are really neat. They're basically like snappers, like canister version or adult version or something. You see they're little red, kind of look like firecrackers, but you just throw on the ground and they explode. These are really cool. Oops. I got me a whole box of these. I actually got these for free off of one of my friends. And over here I got some stuff from last year's. Oh my god. I might have to take this out. Just a second. Alright guys, I had to take that out. Okay, right here I got 2 bricks of firecrackers. This one's from last year. This I bought it I want to say like a month ago. I got a 200 strip of firecrackers. Pretty neat. You always gotta have your morning glories. Right here I got some stuff. Some strobe lights, M80s. Oh. These I hardly find any of these. These are sound color for birds. These are really nice. They spin up towards the air and explode like M80s. I got me 3 of those. Oh, actually 4. Got me 4 of these. Those are pretty nice. I got a couple spinners. I got these at Boomtown, USA. I have me an old pair of small festival balls. These are pretty nice. You see the balls are pretty big. Got me a little bit of a quick fuse. I got me more spinners. These are pretty nice. I got that one and this one. Yep. I showed you the strobe lights. Little stuff like this It's, you know, nice for the kids, play around with. Except these. I got right here more spinners. Another old pack of small festival balls. Got me, you know, quarter sticks, half sticks, some 80s. Got me double breaks of 3-inch shells. Right here I got more stuff. These were all from last year. I didn't really explode. From Great Lakes Fireworks. Really nice. I got more 3-inch shells. These are 2-inch. Yeah, I forgot I had these. These are pretty nice. What I have over here. You got me more double breaks. These are purple peony with blue salutes. These are 2-inch shells. I got more 2-inch shells. And got me a couple 5-inch shells. These are really nice. Alright. And let me see. This was also from last year. Oh yeah. Right here I got a couple strips of firecrackers. How many are these? I would say, oh, it's a 300 strip. I got me a couple of these. These are pretty fun. Down here, I have some leftover critical acclaim shells. These are pretty fun. I love mine shells, mine cakes. I have, you know, standard little ball shells. Oh. I like to put these in a rack and just on a 50-shot rack and just light them all off. Those were from last year. Oh, what I got here? Oh, I got some of these plain flying at nights. I believe these are these are not the ones with the salute. Probably gonna pick those up probably on the week before 4th of July. I got 4 of these. These are pretty fun. I got 3 packs of Saturn missiles. What I plan to do on this year is just get a bunch of Saturn missiles and light them up all at the same time. That'd be pretty fun. Probably gonna fuse them. Right here I got a voodoo candle. These are salute candles. They come 4 in a pack. These are really fun. They're salute. I got 2 gross of 144 bottle rockets. Pretty fun to just light off when you're not lighting off the big stuff. Oh, these I really like. You turn these on, these are whistlers. You turn these on and they just fly around and whistle. But these also have a reporter at the end. Pretty cool. Got more festival balls, I think. I don't know. I got some firecrackers here, some bottle rockets. Now these just get passed down from previous 4th of Julys. Oh, I guess I do have more 200 gram cakes. I got Mean Machine by World Class, 9 shots. I got 3 of those. I got more of these whistlers. Pretty fun. I got Thunderstorm. This is a pretty cool cake. Got it for $3.99. It's a nice cake. I got more firecrackers by Cutting Edge. I also got Boomtown candles. Not sure what these do, but you know, for $6.99 that was a good price. Yep. This is all pyros. I'll probably I have probably like 3 more stops before the 4th of July. Pick some up. And yep. See you soon.